Small, tossable, and extremely fun right out of the box, this 67 Austin-Healey is a virtually spotless classic that was professionally rebuilt by premier marquee specialist Vaughn Patterson. And with less than 18,000 produced, the car is innately exclusive. With a 2-year rebuild initiated just as the car accumulated a solid 40,000 miles, it was applied to a solid rust-free canvas that had never been mothballed or taken off the road. And today, stored in a climate-controlled garage since the completion of its acute rehab, this Austin looks appropriately dignified under a correct coat of Colorado Red 2-stage. Like its exterior, the interior was completely rejuvenated during the restoration. Small bucket seats sport silver piping. A correct walnut veneer dash centers a retro mirror on factory heat, restored gauges, and a locking glove box. A flowing console centers a petite shifter behind a CD player, and a classy Motolita steering wheel spins a period-correct trafficator. Lift the lightweight hood and you'll find a twin-carb 2.9-liter 29A 6-cylinder that's backed by a rugged 4-speed manual transmission. If you're an enthusiast who likes to put their hardware on the pavement, few classics deliver this blend of fun and exclusivity. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.